Okay, last time when we tried to add a new slot, it's not the recurrence rule is not working. The reason is that here in the recurring span, when we passing from the let me search. So when we passing this is all passed as a string into the recurring span card. So what do we have here in as the input? This recurrence rule is a string, so it doesn't change. And what happened is when it's another component. Remember, this is a child component, right? And when we actually get open or something, I think yeah, during the open or when we click the card, actually here, when we click the card, we are updating the recurrence rule string in the saga in the reducer, right? So when we click it, we update it in the reducer, and this child component is using whatever is in the reducer, right? So we can let's see how we change this. Let's change it to be like original. Let's call it rename it original recurrence rule. So let's see. So now this become original one. So it doesn't change. So what happened is doesn't change, right? If we try to get the rule, yeah, it doesn't change. We should use yeah, I mean, okay, now what we have is we want to use whatever is in the saga. Okay, so let's call it R in the reducer. So let's get that one. Okay, that one is being changed when you are manipulating whatever is in the editor in the UI. So every time you edit it, we actually use that. Okay, so let's put this here. That's the ones that are gonna be changed. So let's see what else need to be changed. So of course this one need to be changed. We want to use the new one, and this one we probably also want to change it, right? Because this is the rule title. Let's take a look, and actually no. Let's not change this for now. Okay. What else? Here is when you click, right? We want to update. So when you click the diff, we actually want to use the original recurrence rule to update it. Okay. Let's try it. So let's say we open 45 minutes, and let's click this, and let's change it to 2 days. So this is changing the 2 days, okay? And not, we want only for span for 15 minutes, okay? Let's say it's give us for 15, okay? So let's look here, 15 minutes, 2 days. Now it's working. Cool. That's the thing we want, right? Another thing we want is for the delete, right? For the I'm sorry, for the update, we just hook up the add, right? Else we are actually want to do add, right? Actually the recurrence rule, we can extract this variable because we know this is the new span, right? This is the span we want. So const recurrence recurring span equal. So this is the span we want to have. Format a little bit, and then we can add this variable here. Okay, so that's add. And for the if it's updated, we want to replace something, right? Okay, let's see. How does JavaScript replace an item in array? That's basically what we want to do, right? So you find the index. Okay, so let's just directly change it. Okay, we already have an index. So let's say recurrence, the index. Index is a variable for us, and the recurrence. Okay, so now we have this. Let's just give it a one last try. Okay. Let's create a new one. and let's change this. And we want to change it like 2 days, and maybe 2 hour. Let's see what happened. 3 days, 2 hour. Great. That's exactly what we want, right? Cool.